The Spirit within me restores all things. What was lost is not gone. It is being rebuilt, renewed, and returned in a greater form. Every setback carried a lesson. Every delay carried purpose. Now, I step into restoration. My life is being rebuilt with strength. My path is being cleared with intention. My future is expanding with opportunity. I release regret. I release attachment to the past. Because I understand, what is meant for me cannot be taken. Everything is being restored in divine order, and I am ready to receive it.